Absolutely, thank yeah, for sure. Oh, fuck. I'm a guy and I'm very dumb. I appreciate the honesty in the chat. Because I am a girl and I'm also very dumb sometimes. People, we're human, we all make mistakes. I think one thing that I will say, because like growing up as a girl, it was always like sit up straight, close your legs, be nice, but don't be too nice because you don't want to be a flirt. Like, you know, there's like so many fucking social rules where guys aren't really taught that, and then you grow up and you're like, just don't like, just expected to be respectful. So it is kind of like harder in that way. It's not an excuse, but I just noticed. Okay, what are your thoughts? You can be taught that, but then the reality sets in. Like, how so? Like, I don't know, I feel like women are taught like 1,000,001 social rules where like guys grow up and then like expected to just kind of like, no? I don't know. Oh, yeah, I was. As I was exhaling, I was thinking of that TikTok sound that's like, I look quite pretty. Let me turn my phone off. It's called silent. There, turn off vibrate on silent. I think the mic will pick it up. Hello, Leafly. How you doing? What am I smoking? I don't have a lot of weed, but I'm gonna be partying. You're all invited. Let me guess, not vegan, but pretty much. No, I'm vegan. I've been vegan since 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 8 years almost. 7 years. Like 7.5.